In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Instagram user not found problem that you might be facing on Instagram. Okay, so there are a few reasons as to why you might get that error, and one of the options is that user has disabled their account, deleted it temporarily, or they might have blocked you, or they might have changed their username. All of those reasons will give you an Instagram user not found, and let's just say if I search for a random account that doesn't exist, it's going to show me that no results for and then whatever I typed in. So that is the message, and to fix this, another thing that you can do is check if you have blocked them by mistake or anything like that. So to do that, you go out of here, you go to your profile, you tap on the three lines at the top right, then you tap on settings, then you tap on privacy, then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and there it says blocked accounts. Tap on blocked accounts, and then you want to make sure that they're not in this list. And then another thing is that you might get the user not found when you are trying to log in. And this could be due to recently you temporarily disabled your Instagram account, and when you go to log in, it gives you that user not found error message. So what you can try and do is, instead of logging in with your username, try your email or your phone number. And unfortunately, if that doesn't work, then most likely Instagram has gotten rid of that username and you would have to look into creating a new account. But that is the worst case scenario. So that is how to fix the Instagram user not found error. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.